So this is something I've been working on for a little while on the side now. Electric bike project. Built a few of these. Check out my past inventions video, and there's a trike, electric cycle motor, and I think there's a go-kart on there as well that I've converted. Don't have to spend a lot of money on them. You can go out and buy all the bits if you wanted to, but time you've bought a hub motor, battery pack, BMS, electronic speed control, all the other bits and pieces, you might as well go and buy an electric bike. There is a 12 volt fan motor. It's of an XJ6 Jag. So it's probably somewhere between 150 and 200 watts. That drives a large sprocket that's welded to the back of the freewheel. So you can still use the freewheel part of it if you just want to use the motor to drive it. I tend to use this type of battery because they're quite light for lead acid. They're sealed, and you can get them in 7 amp hour up to 9 amp hour versions. So, and you got the option of running either 12 volt in parallel or 24 volt in series, depending on the motor you're going to use. It's not finished yet, obviously. As you can see, dogs like cats, not bothered by chickens. Bonkers. Anyway, as you can see, everything's welded to the frame, mounted solidly. You could probably build one of these for less than £50 if you just want pedal assist and nothing fancy on it, and it's a fairly safe way to do it. If you're thinking about cable tying an electric drill to your front wheel so it rubs against the chuck, that's not an electric bike, that's a death trap. So next time you see this, you should have chain guard sorted out and some other bits and pieces done, and the dry build should be finished, and then it'll be ready for paint then. Thanks for watching.